In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get 1099 from Jobber. If you use Jobber payments to charge clients, your tax form for those card payments is a 1099K. This form is issued through Stripe, the payment processor behind Jobber payments. I'll walk you through where to find the official details, how to confirm you qualify, and what happens next so you can access your form smoothly when tax time comes around. First, head to the Jobber Help Center and open the article called Jobber Payments and 1099K. This is the most reliable, up-to-date source for everything related to 1099Ks in Jobber. The page outlines who gets a form, when it's available, and how it's delivered. Because tax rules and thresholds can change over time and may differ by location, always use this page as your reference rather than relying on old emails or screenshots. Next, review the criteria on that article to see if your business qualifies for a 1099K. The thresholds are set by law, and they determine whether a payment processor like Stripe is required to issue a form. If you don't meet the criteria listed on Jobber's page, you won't receive a 1099K from Jobber payments. That doesn't mean your income isn't taxable, it just means the platform isn't obligated to send you that particular form. Make sure you're looking at the latest year's guidance on the Help Center page, since eligibility can vary year to year, and in some cases by state. If you do meet the criteria, here's what to expect. The account owner in Jobber will receive an email from Jobber letting them know that another email from Stripe is on the way. That Stripe message includes instructions to set up a Stripe Express account. Stripe Express is the portal where you'll manage your tax details for Jobber payments, including updating your legal name, business name, address, and tax identification number, and where you'll download the 1099K once it's issued. Keep an eye on your inbox around tax season and make sure your contact email in Jobber is current, so those messages reach the right person. It's a good idea to verify that your business information matches your tax records exactly. Mismatches can delay form delivery. That's it. Visit the Jobber Help Center article, check whether you qualify based on the criteria shown there, and if you do, watch for the Jobber and Stripe emails to set up Stripe Express and retrieve your 1099K. Following these steps ensures your records are accurate and ready when you or your tax professional need them.